NCC, siya yung talagang diyan sumabog yung CCP Bobcats hanggang na-reach namin as far as abroad, no? When we won the championship in 2007 against UP, it was then that CCP got the privilege of representing the country in Tokyo, Japan. And then, afterwards, ayun na, sunod-sunod na yung championship namin sa NCC, and then for the last 10 seasons, we won 5 of them. Marami kaming ilalabas na bago na hindi nila nakita ng qualifiers. So, pagdating ng finals, sana lang mabuo talaga ng mga bata, no? So, but I have strong belief on this team, no? They always have that never say die spirit. So, tsaka ano yan eh, gutom din sa panalo kasi coming off a loss last year. So, yung hindi man namin nagawa ng 15, gagawin namin on the 16, on a different division.
CCP Bobcats is a level 6 team. We compete with college co-eds, yung likes of NU, UPHSD, yung mga NCAA and UAAP schools. So this is our first time joining level 5. Ang hirap nung adjustments. First and foremost sa skills. Kasi nga, nag-aral kami level 6, sanay kami for level 6. And level 5 kasi mas mabilis siya sa level 6. Ngayong malapit na yung finals, sobrang nakaka-pressure. Considering na sobrang daming bago. Although, nanalo kami ng international, iba pa rin pag nandito ka eh. Pag nandito ka sa bansa mo, yung laban talaga. Iba yung bakbakan dito. So, mas pressured kami ngayon. Ang ina-expect ko lang is, whatever happens, kailangan ang lalabas, ang makikita ng tao, ang magre-register is always Bobcats. Doesn't matter kung anong year ka, pumasok dito, kung baguhan ka, or ilang taon ka ng cheerleader. You have to learn the Bobcats way. You have to bring Bobcats sa match. Kailangan makita nila, CCP Bobcats.